Welcome back to Facial February Day 8, beautiful babes. If your skin has been feeling tired, tight, or not soaking up your products, this step is a game changer. Today we're doing a spa at home anti-aging steam facial using simple herbal teas you probably already have in your kitchen. This gentle steam helps open pores, boost circulation, and soften the skin. So every serum and moisturizer you apply afterward works even better. No harsh exfoliation, no expensive spa appointment, just warm steam, deep breathing, and glowing skin energy. Let's get into it. Now here's the recipe for this herbal steam facial. You'll need a bowl of hot water, not boiling, just hot, and a tea bag. And we'll talk about the different teas you can use and why each one is so grand. And also grab you a towel. So today I'm using mint tea or peppermint tea. This is a refreshing tea to use and also beneficial for pore clearing. Now, let's talk about some other teas that are great. Chamomile tea. This one will calm sensitive or irritated skin, help reduce redness, and it's soothing and anti-inflammatory. You can also grab your green tea, which is rich in antioxidants, helps fight signs of aging, supports firmer looking skin. And don't shy away from your lavender tea. This one is great for calming and stress relieving. Do you have rose tea perhaps? That one is hydrating and softening. And what about white tea? Well, that's anti-aging and antioxidant rich. Okay, babes, now that you have that, let me show you how to do this. You're going to steep the tea bag in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and prepare. Let's drop my mint tea bag in the bowl, and I have some hot water ready. Just pour it in. Now, I'm going to lean my face over the bowl, about 12 or so inches away. You'll know where to go, for sure, not too close. And drape a towel over your head to trap the steam. Now steam for 5 to 7 minutes. Once you're done, pat your skin dry gently and follow immediately with your serum, oil, or moisturizer. Now y'all know I'm using my Winter Skin Defense Facial Oil. I'll have everything listed for this oil in the description box, okay? Now your skin is prepped to absorb products like a sponge. Now use this 1 to 2 times per week. Best for normal, dry, or mature skin. Now, if you have rosacea, asthma, or very sensitive skin, skip steaming or keep it under 3 minutes. And that's it, beautiful babes. Thank you so much for joining me today. Beautiful babes, I hope you're enjoying Facial February because I know I am. It's got me looking good, baby. I am loving my skin. Now, this isn't over yet. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because we're coming back tomorrow for day 9. Are you ready for day 9? You're going to love it. It is a game changer again. Beautiful babes, if you enjoyed today's video, please drop a like on it. I will see y'all, beautiful babes, on tomorrow. Bye.
Girl, I missed you. Where you been hiding all this time? You walk back in sunshine on your skin like you never even left my mind. I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and but I'm holding on. Then you looked at me, smiled real wide, still looking good, sis. And I said, girl, I tried. looking good ain't good enough. I'm trying to give them better, trying to glow in the rough. And since you're back in town, let's shut it all down. It's spa day, baby, let's come back